Hi all, today we are going to try a quadrupedal robot row simulation. First step is we need to source ROS Neotech libraries. For that, take a terminal, type gedit.bashrc. Gedit is a text editor and .bashrc is a file located in home directory. So to open that, you can use gedit space .bashrc. We need to get Rosnetic sourced in all terminals. So we are going to add one line to this file. Type source space slash ops slash rows slash neotic slash setup.bash. So from now, if you take new terminals also, you will be able to use all the ROS commands. Next step is to create and source your ROS workspace. For that, first we need to create a directory. Type mkdir space -p space name of your workspace. So in my case, I am naming it as sport underscore sim underscore ws. We need an src folder inside this workspace. So give /src. To change directory, type cd space sport underscore sim underscore ws. So now we are inside the workspace. We can build this workspace using the command carkin underscore make. Now it's a time to source the workspace that we are going to use. Type gedit space dot bashrc, press enter. In this file, type source space tilde slash sport underscore sim underscore ws slash devel slash setup dot bash. Next step is we need to open this link. I will provide the link in description box. First step is to install the dependencies. So type sudo apt install -y space python -rostep. If you have issues with Python, you can replace it with Python 3. Since I have installed ROS Neotic in my system, I am using Python 3. To change directory, cd space sport underscore sim underscore ws slash src. So we are going to clone both champ and champ teleop packages inside src folder. Copy the commands to git clone both packages and paste and thus clone the two packages. You can see both packages in your src folder. Change directory to workspace using the command cd space dot dot and copy this command to install all required dependencies. Once that is done, you can use carkin underscore make to build your workspace. If the build is successful, you can source the workspace using source space devel slash setup.bash from another terminal. Since we have already included the source command in .bashrc file, we don't need to manually source it. To see the working demo in rviz, type roslaunch space charm underscore config space bringup.launch space rviz colon equal to true. So RViz is robot visualization tool where you will be able to visualize the robot, visualize different topics, etc. So using some control, we will be able to control this robot. So we can take a terminal and type roslaunch charm underscore teleop.launch. So now you will be able to control the robot using some keys in your keyboard. So if you are pressing I, the robot will move forward. If you are pressing O, the robot will turn. So using velocity commands coming from champ teleop, we are controlling the robot in rviz. So to visualize the topic, you can type ROS topic echo cmd well. So here you can see according to the buttons we are pressing, the velocity is getting changed. So we have linear velocity and angular velocity. If the robot is moving straight, you will be able to see a value for linear dot x. So if the robot is taking a turn, you will be able to see a value for angular velocity z. You can use Ctrl plus C to close the terminals. I will continue the rest of the session in the next video. Thank you.